Here is the trade highlights. Please pay close attention. Please pay close attention to your pound dollar. I'm actually about to go long on pound dollar right now. Now, why am I go long? Actually, I'm sure you remember this particular zone we marked previous. That was somehow a few hours ago, like in the morning. And of course, we said a breakout above this, then a retest of this, and then we get a bullish candle. Then we go long on this. So currently, we already have a breakout. We can see the retest right here, and of course, we're waiting for the bullish candle. So please, once the bullish candle come in, I'll be going long on pound dollar. So please pay close attention to that. Let's see what really plays out. Hopefully this is gonna close anytime soon because this is a 15-minute chart. So definitely it's gonna close anytime, any moment from now. This is like we have like almost 1 second plus 1 minute plus few seconds to go. So once this closes and we end up having a bullish candle fully close above this, then I go long on it. And of course my stop loss is going to be right at this level right here. That's it. Please once again pay close attention, and of course I wish you all a profitable time ahead. Bye, and please enjoy the rest of your time.